used to take it personal when the kids I work with acted up. Now I look for the kids that want to act up to their potential. Even if they live in residentials belonging to family that don't have the essentials to help them grow better. If I could write every child in pain a love letter from the heart, hoping to heal their auspicious start, I'd tell them to trust the wings that God gave them so young men and women come to fruition. Now, I wouldn't call this my mission, but something would be missing in my life if I didn't reach back and react to the children I see carrying the globe on their back. Too many people attack our future instead of giving kids something to root for, something tangible they can move towards, so that they know the world is yours. And it is. So let's stop abusing our adult and putting the fault on children. Let's feel men and women driven to give them all we got, so that this human being thing isn't all for naught. This is our future.